Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 4. We're right in the middle of our course, and I have to tell you, I've enjoyed reading your papers, and I've been enjoying following the discussions based on your hot topics. It's been very exciting to see sort of the exchanges that you've had with one another, so that's wonderful. I really appreciate it. So there's a few things I just wanted to note. One, when you have written assignments, which you have your paper at the end, please make sure they're in APA format, and that does mean they should have a cover page, and you should be using APA format for in-text citations and for references. One thing I did notice on some papers is some people are using Wikipedia as a reference. Please know that Wikipedia really shouldn't be used as a reference for academic writing. What it's really great for, though, is to go to a wiki page, and then to see the references on the wiki page can take you to some really great primary resources that the people that have added to the wiki page have found. So I'm not telling you not to use Wikipedia, because it's a great place to start your research and find other primary resources. I'm just telling you, don't use Wikipedia as the reference. Use it as sort of your trail of breadcrumbs to find some other great references. Also, a few of you had some IT issues with posting this week. Please know that you can always contact IT if you're having problems. So rather than struggling, just go into Canvas and find the help for IT. And IT, from what I hear, has been very good about calling people back and helping them with their issues. And I know it's one of those things, I said this to somebody this week in an email, technology is great except when it isn't. So I understand if you're having technology issues, please let me know right away so I know why something may not be posted or may not be on time, and there won't be any penalty for something being late if it's something that's out of your control, like a technology issue. One of the things that is something I felt like I needed to go over is the university policy for work that is turned in late. So the university policy is that work can be turned in up to 1 week late, and you will receive a deduction of 10% for each day that it's late. You can't turn in anything after 1 week late. If it's more than a week late, it's not going to be accepted. The exception to that is if you contact me early and let me know that something is going on and ask permission to have an assignment come in a little bit later, I will work with you as far as late assignments, but not if, on Saturday or Sunday, you ask about it being late, unless there is a absolute dire emergency. And in that case, get a hold of me as soon as possible and we'll work something out. So just wanted to make sure that you know that. With regard to the hot topics, I loved our 4 presentations this week. They were wonderful. Make sure that you review the rubric as you're preparing yours for the following weeks. And remember that everybody in the class, your part, when it's not your week to post, is to view and to comment and ask questions on everything that has been posted for that week. And then ultimately that will roll up into your participation grade, which I will do at the end of the course. So I think that's it. Oh, one more thing. I have been having a synchronous meeting at 7 o'clock on Sunday nights. And to date, I've only had one person in 3 weeks come to that. So I think I'm going to discontinue those as a regular thing. That being said, if anybody wants to have a video call with me, a phone call with me, if you'd like to get a group together to chat, just reach out and I will schedule something. But I'm going to do that in lieu of just opening up a Google Meet at 7 o'clock on Sundays, since it doesn't seem like this particular class is a huge need for that synchronous meeting. But so far, so good. I've loved working with all of you in this class. It's been great. This week, you again have 2 sets of readings and you have 2 quizzes. And then also the hot topics are for classmates. Will have them posted by the end of the day on Wednesday. And then you'll have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to view and comment and ask questions and get some responses back from the people who actually did the presentations. That being said, the earlier you're able to get to view the presentations and provide comment, the more time it gives the people who posted the presentations to be able to get back to you. So thank you all very much. So far, it's been a pleasure working with all of you. I've gotten emails and phone calls from many of you, and it's been so nice to meet you. And I look forward to week number 4. Take care. Have a good week. Bye-bye.